Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing the laundry challenge. It's my first time trying it out. My friend Katie from Greenish Katie came up with this idea. So basically you have 7 minutes per load to fold and put away and even hang up your laundry. So as you can see in the video, I failed miserably because Colton was down on the floor with me while I was doing it. So I had 2 loads of laundry to do, so I gave myself 14 minutes like you saw, and I will let you guys watch it. have 3 minutes left and I did not even get close to putting everything away. So thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to try out this challenge and let me know if you tried it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!